Greetings, ladies. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to tempo tap in FL Studio 2025, which is the latest FL Studio. Before we do that, real quick, just make sure you check out the links in the description. Check out and click on the links in the description and in the pinned comment as well. So to tempo tap, you're just going to right-click this BPM up here and then select Tempo Tapper. And then, this, you basically just click on it and it's going to estimate your BPM. So boom. So it'll automatically appear. You don't have to keep tapping it. It'll like literally do it like immediately. You know what I'm saying? See if we can hit that 165. My friend / producer friend Hyverse swears by the 165 BPM. This is him right here. He's making like every beat in that range. So anyways, that's how you do it. Check the link in the description for more, and check out our music producer starter kit as well. We got a lot of nice things there. Link in the description. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and peace out.